Hey, what's up, guys? I am here in. Actually, I don't exactly know where I'm at. I'll write it in the description. But, yeah, came out here with my family. And it's a bright sunny day. It's in the beach area. I think we're gonna go eat. I forgot to bring my GoPro, so I'm filming with my phone this time. I didn't know exactly where we were coming, so I didn't bring my GoPro. But yeah, go check this place out. We're gonna go eat right now. So yeah, we're gonna go eat and then probably walk around and check the area out. See you guys.
야, 우리 저기는 솔비치나? 저기가 솔비치에다. 맞다. 그치?
Check out this nice beach.
맞는 것 같아. 맞는데. 맞아. 그러니까요.
Man, if the waves were a little bigger, it'd be a nice spot to surf.
바다에 이렇게 걸어오는 것 같아. 우리는 저쪽에서.
My aunt just said this place is called Seoul Beach.
저쪽에. 우리는 저쪽에.
Oh. This is really nice. It's warming up in Korea these days. 다 먹거나.
우리 이래 하는 거 찍어라.
It's like raw fish, vegetables.
아니 뭐 아니 내가 형편이 그러니까 가서 협의를 한번 해봐야지.
Like kind of dumplings.
메밀전병?
Korean noodles. Forgetting to film it. I think we're taking a tour of some old town around here. It's really nice. There's a river down here. Nice. Oh, there's like a waterfall over there too. I don't know. Oh yeah, there it goes. Yeah, I have no idea like what the schedule is. Just following my relatives. Oh, it's really beautiful here. I think we missed our tour group or something. Started at 2, it's like 2:09 right now. Old style houses, paper doors. Nice. There's a giant, what is that, giant hornet? Wasp? I've never seen one in real life before. That thing is huge. The doors have like modern locks on them. They're like old style houses. 오케이. 먹어. 괜찮아.